What's up, man? It's your boy Cholo. Let's give y'all crazy sick flow on this weed. Puff it up, man. Light you something with this song. As far as the people talk down on us, saying that weed is a drug, saying that we lost our minds cause of this weed. Man, dog, let me explain. Let me go ahead, explain what to you, man. All the dumb things that they're coming at you, man. All the dumb things that's coming up at you, man. I don't know, man, why you gotta put us down, cause you don't even know how the fucks we get down. Man, we so cool, we so crazy, what you know. Hey, bitch, I can probably beat you on the floor, cause it's weed. Man, I'll tell you, dog. Man, it's weed. Man, what I tell you, dog. Man, this weed is so good and then you can't see. Man, this weed is so good and you can't see. Won't you put your lips up, what, over her? Make you a zigzag, what, see there? Take the paper, open it, and put you with some weed, and roll that shit on up, nigga. Hey, that's what we need. Stop all your bullshit and stop all your nonsense, bitch, nigga, cause I'm coming through with nonsense. It's out of me and I ain't even talking about it. Unless you wanna get on, then we body. Then we got to represent it for the town. And then you the bitch ass motherfucker looking down. Yeah, what, bitch? I'm a motherfucking clown. I'm a crazy psychopathic bitch. What, I don't play around. Bitch, niggas always talking about us. Come on, man, raise y'all's hands up, man. It's the motherfucking Cholo in the place, like that shit. Get high, see the ceiling. And I'ma rep this shit like a motherfucking villain. Hey, when the time when they put the money on motherfucking over. I was driving, yeah, I was over the speed limit, not giving what a fuck. I'm smoking up my weed, bitch, what? Yeah, I'm having fun. Well, I was driving with no shoes. Nigga told me, come on out, hey, where's your shoes? Why's your car smell like what? Lots of fucking weed. And tell me how much weed, what's in the car? Bitch, fuck you, bitch, what? Hit me raw. I don't give a fuck cause you're making me raw. Have you seen the Cheech and Chong when he said raw? His name is Ralph. His name is Ralph. Yeah, it's like that fucking moment, man. I walked away. I just put my hands behind my back. They took me away. I had my two homies locked up in the Madison County Jail. Now we here and we fucking for real. Hey, bitch, light it up. Hey, bitch, light it up. You some bitch ass motherfucking what a hoe. Stop your bitch ass nonsense, bitch, nigga, what you know? Hey, bitch, light it up. Hey, bitch, light it up. I'm talking to them bitch niggas who is talking all y'all motherfucking trash about us, but weed smokers. Light it up, my dog, light that shit on up, my dog. Get you with some smoke, my dog, and let them maintain, dog. Get up in your brain and let your pain fly away. Yeah, you know what I mean? Fly away, nigga. That's what it is, dog. Your boy Cholo on the motherfucking microphone. Fuck them niggas talk mess about us. We weed smokers for life, 420 all day.